Hi, John here. In this video I will talk about why giving up on Facebook ad results too early will at the end cost you always money. Let's start first by talking about, well, typical Facebook advertise, right? So let's say that first, you are either freelancer, you might be owning agency, or you might be, running your own e-commerce store, and you just decided that, okay, so it's all working, I have a product here, I want to launch Facebook ads. You launch it, you check some, like trainings online or like Facebook, trainings, and you decide to spend, okay, so I will just spend like $100 per day, right? And let's say that you will pick some ad sets, put $20, on each ad set, and then hope that those 5 ad sets will basically produce you money and you will be able to scale your store, right? Once you launch it, then you start getting numbers, right? And problem is that because you don't really have any experience yet, which is normal, right? Because, well, you need to build this skill, right? By basically spending more money, successfully, profitably, and then you really know how to work with numbers, right? So then you basically get tons of numbers and you starting to be a little bit emotional, right? Because you're thinking, okay, so it's already like a middle of a day, I already spent like $50, there is no sale, I'm already like $50 in like a loss. Maybe this Facebook thing will not work for me, right? And this is actually a situation that a lot of people that are starting out, right, do it. Usually they want to quit at the beginning of the journey, right, before they get any data. And believe me, as an e-commerce owner, who spent like tens of millions of dollars on Facebook since 2014, I can absolutely understand this. But truth is that if you don't spend money, you will most likely not make any money, because it's all, and I know it sounds stupid, and everybody says that, but it's already like a journey and you need to learn it. And usually you need to learn it for your money. The way how to really like fight it is not really using emotions, it's more about using data, right? And having specific rules in place for each step of a journey. So you are not really using your emotions and not trying to guess what you should stop or not, and really using specific rules. You can get my specific rules in my book. It's Facebook Ad Launch Guide for e-commerce, and basically you'll find there my exact rules that I use for e-commerce products, how I actually create those rules, because each product have a different price point, right? You have different costs, you have different selling price, and all these rules are created basically based on that. Once you will get those rules, you can really like put them in place, right? So you know when to stop what ad set, right? Like which ad set you should, for example, let's spend for 2 days or 3 days, like how much money you should spend to get add to carts or clicks, right? Or how much each click should cost, right? Or for example, how much actually you should spend per each conversion. And once you have those rules, you can really make decisions that are based on data and not really based on emotions, because emotions, especially when you are burning your money, right, then it will always, like turn you back and say like, okay, just get back to something that is more comfortable, because we might lose like money here, right? But truth is that if you create these rules, it's all really like a strategic, right? You are tactical. You are not really making decisions based on emotions, based on fear. You are making decisions based on like, so here's ad set, it tells me this data, right? And I have these rules, so what should I do now? It spent this, it got this amount of add to carts, this amount of clicks. Should I kill it? Should I scale it? Or should I duplicate it? But with those rules, you can make all these decisions and you can make them based on data. One thing is to stop something too soon, right? But another thing is to stop it like too late, right? I've seen even like some agencies that just burn money, like let burn ad sets for like 1 or 2 weeks, and hope for like some, like miracles, right? But truth is that there are no miracles, there are only data, and data don't lie. And if you have like specific rules, then your data will tell you when to do what, and then you are always protected. You don't scale losses, you don't really burn money, and you only, scale winning ad sets, and you are always in profit, or in worst case in break even, but never in loss. So definitely download that book, and if you like my channel and you'd like to see more of my videos, definitely subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, and I will see you in my tomorrow video. So thank you very much and have a great day. Bye.